Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove or how to replace instrument cluster on Ford Edge or Lincoln MKX guys. Both of the vehicles share the same platform and many of the components will be the same, or the procedure to remove and replace them will be the same guys. So stay with us, that's what we'll be doing. Instrument cluster, the gauges guys, removal and replacement. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge guys, we make at least 200 videos. Why guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And if you want to save even more money on car parts and tools, check out the link in the description of the video below guys. It's there for your convenience. So this is a 2009 Ford Edge that we'll be working on. 2009 Ford Edge, and let me show you guys what we will be removing and replacing again to know. This is it right there guys, instrument cluster. What we need to do, we're going to pull the steering wheel all the way to the back, okay, just like that. Now with the plastic panel removal tool, okay, we're going to pop that cover there loose on the bottom. There is one bolt with 7mm that we need to remove. Pretty tight bolt there guys. Check it out. One there. Perfect. Then we need to guys go on the other side, okay, and there is one just like that, okay, on this side here. The same thing guys, same bolt. Okay, again 7mm. So this one is out, okay, you can see simply coming out guys. So just two bolts so far, right? Let's see guys what else we need to do. Okay, we need to get a plastic panel removal too, and there are a few clips that we need to actually guys pop loose, okay, and see what is holding where guys. It looks like we need to remove guys, okay, that center piece. The whole piece needs to come out. Why? Because it actually sits on top of the other one. So just pull it to the side, okay, you can disconnect the wires if you want. Now what else we need to do guys? Grab it here. Okay, and that thing comes up. Okay, check it out now. Here guys, okay, here, okay, it attaches with, okay, let me see how that thing attaches, or we can just go ahead and remove it that way. I think even the instrument cluster, we have only 4 bolts that we need to remove, okay, with 7mm guys. We have one on the left side, 2 on the left, 2 on the right side. Okay, it's with the same 7mm. Let me see. Okay, whoop, right here. Pop that thing loose. Okay, the top cover, pop it loose guys, with a plastic panel too, and it comes out. Check it out. Now those are the clips, 1, 2, 3 clips, and 3 on the other side. And this is guys right there, okay, the instrument cluster assembly. 7mm socket, and we remove one screw here, one screw over there on top. Then we have guys, okay, one screw here on the bottom. Then we have one on top. Check it out, we're almost out guys. And now looking at it guys, I don't think we have anything else holding. The only thing that we have now is the wiring harness. Now let us explain how we disconnect that thing. Here there is one tooth that you need to press in, okay, and when you press it in, you slide that thing over, disconnect it guys, and this is the instrument cluster. You can see just like that coming out guys. So that's how you guys remove it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching guys, please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.